Welcome back to the Dutch sailing family. We are still in Turkey this week, where we show you our solar arch installation on our Lagoon 420 Catamaran, then go snorkeling for turtles near Alanya and visit an amazing fresh fruit and vegetable market. Lots of choice here. Amazing. Free energy, they said.
So what are you doing up there?
Yeah, just drilling a hole through some stainless steel.
And that's the best place to do it?
To get mount number 3 up. Yeah, I thought I was tall enough, but turns out I wasn't.
No.
But look what Wade is doing. It's amazing, right?
Teamwork.
Yeah. Well, shall I...
Oh, is it at a tail?
Got any words for all your fans?
Not so much, can barely breathe, so fine.
Okay.
Oh, it's all worth it, I would say. Totally worth it. So right now working on actually attaching, bolting down the center support. We've had it supported with this, the topping lift in the center still. And we've been drilling the holes here. Been epoxying them because they were sandwich construction on the deck underneath, of course, so epoxy that closed. And now trying to make the bolts fit. Of course we learned the holes in the metal need to be a little bit in the stainless steel. Need to be slightly bigger because the alignment is never perfect. So working on that, then we can hopefully secure this in position. That'd be nice. Release the rope and that's it, panels in place, moving on to the wires. But yeah, drilling stainless, it's not that straightforward. We need good drill bits. Nice one, a lot of action working on this, no free hands, but I'll show you the completed steps, why not, right? So we flex this in all the way around, tape on the sides, and Sikaflex is like this sealant and adhesive that stops water going through in the cavities. So tidy that up nicely, and that's it. Now we got the center beam supporting as well, and we've been able to remove the wire up top. The next thing is, at the top we've already sealed this up with the Sikaflex, and at the bottom we've still got plates to go, and then more Sikaflex, washer and a locking bolt, locking nut, and that's it. And that's those 3 spots there. Then the panels are fixed, and then it is onto the wiring and all the components. So super happy with that. Yeah, the progress is not really fast, but doing it yourself, you know, with help from Wade here, the neighbor, which is really fun. And it keeps the cost down when you do it yourself. That's fine, we're here to enjoy a bit every day, work a bit every day. That's it. Super happy with that. So step by step. I think maybe swim now, and then just before dinner maybe crack on with those 3 things again. As it was getting dark last night, completed these 3 top mounts for the solar frame finally, with the Sikaflex sealant, Sikaflex in place, all 3 of them done. So the frame is completely fixed. And left some extra length in the bolts on the suggestion of Wade, which I liked actually. He says put on another nut later on and you can hang your Christmas lights. That's like, I like it. So let's leave some extra length, and you never know when that could be handy. So now today hopefully the cabling for the connections should arrive, and bus bars. And then we still need circuit breakers, and then we can hook them up to the rest of the system, which would be super exciting. But that needs some figuring out as well. Let's first wait for the shipment. And this is the end result on top of the boat. 4 solar panels of 320 watts each. It might not be completely enough for what we need, but it sure is a great start. In the next episode we'll go through the wiring installation of the solar panels as well. So something that I didn't know yet, but Jolene is just telling me that nearby here, Cleopatra Beach here in Alanya, you can see some turtles swimming sometimes. There isn't really a beach to get to easily with the dinghy, so there is a beach but it's a bit wavy. So we probably just snorkel from the dinghy for a bit. Just prepped it up, filled it up with fuel, checked oil, and that's it, we should be good to go. So let's see. I think Yosha is first in the water. You going? 1, 2. Up, nice. Look next to those rocks. There should be plenty to see. Hopefully turtles, but at least nice fishies. Definitely found lots of fish already. Lots of fish. That's nice. Water is super clear as well. We often swim at the little marina beach, which is behind here. But being so close to the marina, and sometimes you get like 8 boats anchored there for a few hours, all party boats. They go and swim, and that water doesn't seem that clean. Around here is more like part of the open sea, much cleaner, much nicer really. And it's a super calm morning, so perfect time to come out here. Alright, hopefully the audio works. Went a little bit further down towards the main beach of Alanya. Keep searching for the turtles. It's very nice here, a bit more shallow, a bit more sandy. But it looks beautiful. And they said they saw a beautiful fish. So I'm gonna hand them the GoPro, they can hopefully film it. Looks like we are in luck. This turtle just swimming by. Nice. Amazing. Yosha jumped in to have a look. Nice. At least the mission is accomplished. Swam by very briefly, but it was very cool. I was just thinking to go for a snorkel and I looked around and I saw this big, you know, brown spot in the water. Turtle. Super nice. Now he swam away in the direction of Yosha, but I don't know. Too far. I'm sure we'll see him again. Maybe not today, of course. In a few days' time, Lily is gonna have her birthday. So we are making a little, or a big, number 3. Yeah, nice, huh? And it's a surprise, but I don't think she understands yet, so it's fine. Huh? Look?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
making this for my
She's just doing her best. Good morning again. We are getting ready to go to the Tuesday market. It does happen to be Tuesday, and there seems to be a market every day of the week. Tuesday today, which seems to be the nearest one. We're checking it out with some boaters here in the marina. Very friendly, Pamela and Eric, and we'll go together, share a taxi. And because limited space, I think I'll go with Lily on the electric scooter after we clean your face. No? Okay, let's see how we get there, but we'll try and show you the market.
Okay.
Righty, with a little scooter here. I made it to the first street of the Tuesday market. Went through it, but I didn't see them yet, so maybe send them a message, see where they are at. And yeah, that's it, but we're here. That's okay. I would say maybe what, 15-minute trip. Not bad at all. Let's see if I can find the family. Hey! Made it to the market. Reunited. Alright. Lots of choice here. Amazing. That's gonna be good. Gonna eat good for quite a while, I think now. There you go, just put my shirt on, slightly more appropriate, I guess. And it's nice and cool actually. Covered in 2 layers of roof and shade. Let's see what they're up to there. What do you think so far?
I love it.
It's amazing, right? Yeah?
Ik wil komkommer pakken.
You want what? Cucumbers. Okay, go get them.
Met jou.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay. And that's it for the Tuesday market. As you can see, we filled our bags with lots of fresh stuff. Really good prices too, and the smells are amazing here. Plus they're ready to give you samples of everything, so that's really cool as well, and nice for the kids. And that's it. I'll head back with the electric scooter. And let's see, a bit more work on the boat maybe after lunchtime this afternoon. Do what we can every day a little bit. Take our time, and that's it. Time to get out the paraglider and have a go. It's not that high, 400 meters. Well, there's 700 as well. The 400 you can see up the mountain there. So, and it doesn't look very thermal here. They come down pretty quickly. But anyway, of course, it'll be amazing to fly here too, right? Quite different from the dunes in Qatar. So we'll give that a go soon. The family can have a fun time at the beach. I can take a couple flights. Good deal, right? And that's our score for the day. And that's the Dutch sailing family for this week. Join us again next episode to see how we wire up the solar panels on our sailboat and much more about living on our catamaran Roxy.